very early in his tenure in Kansas City. Vince Young, the quarterback here for the Green Bay Packers. Jonathan Franklin, rookie 4th-round pick out of UCLA, to his right. Vince Young complete there, and that is a Green Bay first down. Young's completion goes for 14 yards. Tackle made by Hussein Abdullah.
When you could see Hussein Abdullah working in the slot there. That was something that he had to do a week ago when Quentin Demps wasn't playing, and he did a very productive job. So now all of a sudden when you start talking numbers, 3, 4, 5 safeties, are you thinking 4, 5, 6 corners? Do you have safeties that can play the slot? Do you have safeties that can do coverage? All of a sudden that creates some issues when you're trying to figure out your roster and who your special teams guys are. And it's a good problem to have when you have safeties that can cover.
Nice job of pursuit there by Frank Zombo. Moments ago on the last drive, we saw Darren Drakeford come from that direction and chase down Vince Young. Zombo getting it done there to keep that to a short gain for Green Bay.
You can see Frank Zombo will be coming from the right side of the screen. He does a nice job coming down the line of scrimmage, pursuing, but you can see he maintains leverage. He keeps that leverage, so if the cutback happens, he's right there to make the tackle. You got Zach Dials pursuing from the inside, but with Zombo maintaining backside, there's no cutback, no room for the running back to take it all the way around.
Knows the Packers pretty well. Played the last 3 seasons in Green Bay. Vince Young there inaccurate. And that's incomplete, looking for Jeremy Ross. Bring up 3rd down and 6. Again, in the regular season, we'd expect a heavy blitz here, but preseason, Bob Sutton might hold off on one of his fancier looks that he would show in this spot in 10 days.
Well, and as we mentioned earlier, it was something that, you go back to the last 3rd down where Vince Young was tackled on the scramble. They had 7 guys up in the box, and they dropped everybody into coverage and only rushed 4, and it appears that they're doing the same thing here. You have a lot of bodies up around that box. 7 guys near the line of scrimmage. Just depends on how many guys drop out into coverage, and they bring 6.
And that's a blitz, and they get to Young. He steps up and gets rid of it. He avoids the sack, but the Chiefs' pressure getting it done there and forcing the incompletion. Marcus Dixon in there, Frank Zombo as well.
When you put that type of pressure on a quarterback and you close that down, there's no passing lane. Sometimes if you close that pocket enough, you can see Vince takes his eyes, those initial couple steps, his eyes weren't downfield anymore. He was just trying to find a place to escape and slide over. Then he's able to get his eyes back up before he gets hit. But by no means are you going to have an accurate throw when you've got that tight of a pocket to get out.